What day is today? June 22 fries an onion ring and exchanges a kiss. Open with National Onion Ring Day, celebrating the battered and deep-fried allium that has appeared on American menus since at least the 1930s. The first printed onion ring recipe appeared in a 1933 Crisco advertisement in the New York Times, and the snack has held its position at every drive-in, diner, and ballpark since. Then National Kissing Day, the annual invitation to do something humans have practiced for at least 3,500 years. The earliest written record of kissing appears in Sanskrit texts from around 1,500 BCE in South Asia. And Anti-Fascist Struggle Day, observed as a public holiday in Croatia and Slovenia. Also today, National Chocolate Éclair Day choux pastry, custard, and a chocolate glaze that earns its own holiday. World Rainforest Day, the Earth's green heart. National Limoncello Day, the Amalfi Coast in a bottle. National Pet Choking Prevention Day awareness for a real and preventable household risk. Eat the onion ring and kiss someone. NationalToday.com has every holiday